What's up, y'all? It's Bradley here, back with another video. And today I'm here, joined with my Bowser. Here he is. But, yeah. So today, also, I got this shirt for Christmas. It's the location. It says, "Is someone there?" There's Circus Baby, Funtime Foxy, Funtime Freddy. And that's it. Wow, that's it. Okay, so guys, last night I built remember that gumball machine I showed you? I don't think I showed you my gumball machine. I don't think I showed you guys my gumball machine in my Xmas haul, but I built it last night. And, yeah, it's done, so I'm gonna go show you what it looks like. But first, I got my wallet right here, the Spider-Man wallet. Okay, quarter. And a quarter. So now, wait, hold on. Okay. Dun dun dun! It's my gumball machine. There it is. So, here. So you put it in the quarter right here. Hold on, guys. And there you go. See that? Oh my God. Hold on, I'm trying to make it better. Okay, there. You see that little hole? You put the quarter in there. Twist it. Get my gumball. And now look. I got a green gumball, so make sure you guys can see it. Hold on. So you got a green one. Just gotta lift it up. Take my gumball. And I got a green one. Well, I'm sorry about that. Here it is. So yeah, this is probably the shortest video I've ever had on the channel. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Now, see you all next time in the next video. Goodbye. Crocodile, crocodile, brush your teeth. Bye bye.